Hello. I wanted to make this video because I was writing my notes as I usually do for my machine learning class, and I just wanted to show you how I write, how I use Emacs facilities to write LaTeX, and how it can be really useful to write like neat documents with very low effort and without using online editors. So this is how one of my documents looks like. So it's sort of it has a sort of a standard template that I have that I copy for each one of my projects, and then I just write stuff in it. And as you can see, they're pretty math heavy, some of those documents. I'm studying deep learning right now, so you know, there are some like a lot of partial derivatives. There is some heavy notation, and I will show you like one of the sample cases and how I use Emacs to actually write this stuff easier. So let me actually close this other window. Okay, so for example, let's say that I want to write this very complicated math equation. So let's jump to it. So it is backpropagation through time, so it's okay, should be this one. Okay, as you can see, writing the partial derivative is sort of time consuming. So what I did is I created this custom command that takes two this is not actually an Emacs facility, this is just LaTeX. So I created this new command that takes two arguments and two parameters, I mean, and just puts the notation for the partial derivative. And what I can do is to write, for example, the partial derivative of L, which in my case is the loss function with respect to the weights. I can just write PD L WHH like this, and it is much easier to do than you know, the full notation. And this is really nice when you have to repeat the notation many times, so you're a lot faster. And the second thing that I wanted to show you, which is more related to Emacs than to LaTeX, is this thing. For example, in this notation, I have the above T, which is this T above, which indicates the timestamp, which is a little bit tricky to write because you have to write the you know, this cap. I don't know how to call it in English. Then you need the curly brackets, and then the inner brackets, normal brackets, and then the T. So this is kind of long to write, and what I do basically is I just say I define a keyboard macro. So I start recording the macro, and then I just do this, and this, and then I put myself inside the brackets, and I stop using and I stop recording the macro. And now with a shortcut, I can, as you can see, write this whole notation with just a this notation with just a command. And this is really nice, and it can be used in many different ways, and it's really versatile when you're writing complex documents. Thank you, and see you soon, I hope.